We are doing question 3B2 on 2024 scholarship calculus. So Wayne Burrows, I believe he has a PhD in math. He pointed out my mistake, and I'm doing this again. Thanks, Wayne. So question 2, find the distance Alice travels in one complete rotation around teapot. I will show you question 1. But this is the teapot. If you solve the question B1, you would know dx d theta and dy d theta, right? So the distance, so this is a red one, that's what we are finding. So you plug dx d theta and dy d theta in, and I factorized by 16. So we get sine squared theta plus 2 sine theta sine 4 theta plus sine squared 4 theta plus cosine squared theta. Yeah, remember I factorized by 16. So cosine squared theta plus 2 cosine theta cosine 4 theta plus cosine 2 squared 4 theta d theta. And then sine squared theta and plus cosine squared theta is 1, right? Same way, sine squared 4 theta plus cosine squared 4 theta is 1. And 2 sine theta sine 4 theta and 2 cosine theta cosine 4 theta becomes, using products in trig, right? We can convert that to this. So 2 plus, by the way, square root of 16 is 4 out there, and square root of 2 plus, and that one becomes cosine 3 theta minus cosine 5 theta, and that one there becomes cosine 5 theta plus cosine 3 theta. So minus cosine 5 theta and cosine 5 theta cancel each other. So it becomes 2 plus 2 cosine 3 theta. And I factorize by square root of 2, and that leaves square root of 1 plus cosine 3 theta. And next line I made a mistake, but I fix it now. So cosine 3 theta becomes a 2 cosine squared 1.5 theta using double angles. So right there. Yeah, I use this. And I have a 1. So minus 1 plus 1 cancel each other. So what left is square root of 2 times the square root of cosine squared 1.5 squared, 5 theta. So square root of 2 and square root of 2 becomes a 2 times by 4 is 8, right? And then cosine squared 1.5 theta as square root. So it's not squared anymore, isn't it? So I'm saying there is a square root. But you see square, so we can cancel each other, right? So now it's a cosine, it looks like a minus, cosine 1.5 theta, right? However, Wayne pointed out I have to put absolute value here because I'm going to use decimals. I'm not familiar with this touchpad, so I'd rather use decimals. So if you draw, that's the absolute value cosine 3x over 2, but without absolute value, you have this, right? You will find out the period of cosine 3 theta over 2 is 4 pi over 3, isn't it? Now, you see these sections here and there, it's minus. So we have to flip that over, right? So that's why we put absolute value here. So see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sections, right? 6 regions. So 360 divided by 6, 60. So we have to split that domain, 0 to 2 pi to 0 to pi over 3, which is 60 degrees, times by 6. That makes sense, isn't it? So That's why it's like 8 times by 6. And I made the domain 0 to pi over 3, right? Cosine 1.5 theta. I forgot d theta here, right? So 48, when I integrate cosine 1.5 theta, that becomes sine 1.5 theta over 1.5 from 0 to pi over 3. If you plug that in, you will get 32. Awesome. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. Bye.